The other day, I sent money to Bangkok Bank in Thailand, and the bank transfer fee was 0 yen, and the exchange fee was 0 yen too. I know some of you are thinking, wait, really? So today, I'll walk you through exactly how I did it, step by step.
I live in Chiang Mai, and whenever I've sent money overseas through a bank counter, I've paid a few thousand yen in fees, on top of a pretty poor exchange rate. The method I'm sharing today can bring that cost down to almost zero.
The system is simple, just 3 steps. First, top up Revolut via a bank transfer. Next, exchange your yen for Thai baht inside Revolut. Finally, send it to a bank in Thailand. That's it. Step 1. Top up Revolut via bank transfer. Just use the transfer details shown in the app and send the money from your own bank account.
Step 2. Exchange your yen for Thai baht inside Revolut. On weekdays, the exchange fee is 0 yen, and the rate is very close to the market rate, which makes it a great deal. Step 3. Send the money straight from Revolut to a bank in Thailand. The transfer fee for this? Also 0 yen.
Now, let's actually try it out.
Here's the actual result of the transfer I made. The amount was 20,000 baht, and the fee was 0 baht. It really was 0 baht.
I also checked the fee for the currency exchange itself. For JPY to THB, the fee was free. The rate was also close to the market rate, at 1 baht equals 4.8963.
That said, there are some conditions. Free exchange only applies on weekdays. On weekends, a fee is added instead, so keep that in mind. The transfer fee itself is always free, regardless of the day of the week.
There's one more condition. Free exchange only applies up to 750,000 yen per month. For everyday living expenses, that limit should be more than enough for most people.
Let me say a bit about Revolut as a company. Honestly, I wondered myself, isn't this too good to be true? Is this company actually reliable? No exchange fees, no transfer fees. So where exactly is the money coming from? It's a fair question. Looking into it, they have other revenue sources: monthly fees from paid plans, exchange fees on amounts over the free limit, weekend exchange spreads, and interchange fees from merchants when the card is used. That's how they generate solid revenue. In other words, free transfers and free weekend exchanges are possible because the business is sustained elsewhere. It's not some shady scheme. As for the company's credibility, it was founded in the UK in 2015, posted a profit of £1.7 billion last year, and in March 2026, the restrictions on its UK banking license were lifted, making deposits eligible for protection. Regulation-wise, it's a solid company. That said, it's not all good news. There have been past reports of gaps in anti-money laundering measures and complaints about slow customer support. So rather than calling it completely safe, I'd describe it as well-regulated, but be mindful of the support side.
Lastly, let me sum up a few things to keep in mind when using this. First, what exactly counts as a weekday for free exchange? In Japan time, Saturday 6 a.m. through Monday 7 a.m. is treated as the weekend, and a fee applies during that window. Second, bank transfer fees are 0 yen, but if an intermediary bank is involved, that bank may deduct its own fee. Even so, the amount is shown right in the app before you send, so you can always check before confirming the transfer. As long as you follow these conditions, you really can send money with 0 fees. I'd especially recommend this to anyone living in Thailand. Lastly, I want to make a correction. In a previous video, I mentioned that you could top up Revolut using the Sumishin SBI NetBank Platinum Debit Card. Since then, I've confirmed in Sumishin SBI Netbank's official app that Revolut is now listed as a restricted merchant. That means, as of now, topping up with the Sumishin SBI Netbank Platinum debit card is no longer possible. That's why I've switched to the bank transfer method shown in this video. I apologize for the earlier inaccurate information.
If anything about the process is unclear, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel.